In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a post-purchase survey that updates CRM tags, ensuring your customer data stays up to date and you can personalize your follow-up efforts. By the end, you'll know exactly how to automate this process and keep your CRM organized with zero hassle. I've tested several software tools, and I'm going to give you access to an exclusive free trial for the one I recommend, so stick around. To get started, the first step is choosing the right software that integrates both surveys and CRM tags. We'll be using a powerful tool that allows you to collect survey responses and directly push them to your CRM system, updating customer tags automatically. You'll want to make sure that your chosen software integrates with your existing CRM, so check that before proceeding. Once you've selected your software, it's time to set up your post-purchase survey. First, decide what questions you want to ask. For example, you can ask your customers about their satisfaction, whether they'd recommend the product, or anything that will help you segment them better in your CRM. The key is asking questions that add value to your customer profiles. Now, let's move on to connecting your survey to your CRM. In the software you're using, look for the automation or integration section. This is where you can link the survey responses to trigger updates in your CRM tags. You'll want to map each answer or set of answers to a specific tag or field in your CRM. So for example, if a customer indicates they're a repeat buyer, their tag should automatically update to reflect that. Once your survey is ready and the tags are mapped, test it out by going through the survey yourself. This will allow you to see how the data flows into your CRM and whether the tags are updating correctly. If everything looks good, you can set the survey to trigger automatically after a purchase. You can also configure it to send a thank you email or any other post-purchase communication you need. By doing this, you're not only gathering valuable insights from your customers, but also ensuring that your CRM stays fresh with up-to-date information about who's buying and how they're interacting with your brand. One thing to keep in mind is that some software tools offer more customization than others, so if you're looking for something specific, be sure to check out the features before committing. And here's your key takeaway. Creating a post-purchase survey that updates CRM tags automates your data management, making customer segmentation easier and allowing for better personalization in your marketing efforts. It's a small setup with big benefits for your workflow. Quick recap: choose software that integrates with your CRM, set up your survey with relevant questions, map responses to CRM tags, and test the process. Make sure you take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below to follow along with the exact software I recommend. Thanks for watching.